In our OSI model series, we're ready for layer 2, the data link layer. And when I think of the data link layer, the first thing that comes to my mind is Ethernet switching. We've talked in a previous video about how all of our network interface cards have a burned-in MAC address, a media access control address, and if we plug this network interface card into an Ethernet switch, the Ethernet switch is going to learn which MAC addresses live off which ports and use that information to make intelligent forwarding decisions. Well, that is a layer 2 operation. That's a data link layer operation. Technically, the data link layer has two sublayers. There's the MAC sublayer, and that's all about addressing and how we send frames onto the medium down at layer 1, down to the physical layer. There's also a sublayer called LLC, Logical Link Control. That takes care of things like error control, it takes care of flow control, and communicating to layer 3. Communicating up to IP, for example. Now, when you think of layer 2, I want you to understand that this is used for local communication, for example, on a single subnet. Layer 2 information, like MAC address information, it does not survive going through a router. All that stuff gets rewritten at each router hop. So we're communicating on a single subnet. And by the way, Ethernet is not the only layer 2 protocol out there. I'll give you a couple of other examples. For serial links, we have PPP, the point-to-point protocol, or HDLC, high-level data link control. But that's a look at layer 2, the data link layer. I'll see you back next time for layer 3, the network layer.